CYN stock analysis and CYN stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play. And as the only guy in the space has done over this for 5 years, 42,000 videos, you know, I'll document it. I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. I'm not just saying this just to say, right? It's just like literal proof. With CYN, I mean, this might seem like I'm overly optimistic, and I don't want to make it seem that way. I mean, honestly, mate, unless I see this shift in a double break, I'm not going to be buying. You might think that, you know, oh, this, that. But if there is no double break as such, I don't care. I'm not buying. I don't know why I'll over-exaggerate this. So, it's briefly waiting for this, and if it doesn't happen, Gucci, I'll keep you updated. If you want to stay tuned and want to get the exclusive sauce, click the first link below. 1,276 people have already gone through the exclusive sauce. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.